Hi guys. Guess who got a historic record-breaking blizzard last night? It was us. It was good old little Rhodey Toady. Little Rhodey Toady. Now instead of hearing all about the blizzard of 78, we're gonna be telling our kids, grandkids, little nieces and nephews and what have yous about the blizzard of 26. Which sounds like it should be 1926. Oh, the future. I don't know how I don't want to dox myself. Show how much snow is outside. It's a lot. I'm making coffee. Yeah, we didn't lose power, so that's nice, but, yeah. It was crazy out there. And for a while I couldn't even see out of the window because the wind was so crazy that it was blowing against the screen. And so I just had to rely on like the YouTube weatherman, good old Ryan Hall, you know. He's always there to make sure, lets me know what's going on outside. I'm gonna make myself a little coffee right here. Yes, I am. Hold on, excuse me. My phone still hasn't been connecting to my computer, so I can't make any videos. I can't edit them, so we're doing this all in one go. So don't judge if I leave in something, a little goof. I can't cut it out like I normally could. But yeah, I hope you're doing well. If you live in New England, I hope you're really doing well. I don't know, it's just, we're snowed in. It's crazy. I never thought I would experience this kind of snow in my life. Not only because I'm a Floridian, but also like I didn't think this kind of snow was. This is like Russia snow. This is Eloise and Moscow type snow, you know. Blowing my mind, but yeah, everything's cool here. We didn't lose power, and I just wanted to say hi and let you know that's what I have been up to. I didn't watch The Shining. I was going to, but instead I watched a like a hour and a half thing talking about The Shining and breaking it down, which I feel like is a lot better. I love it. I love The Shining. Uh, that's all I got. Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna make coffee. I'm gonna finish my coffee, and I'm going to go. I have a lot of laundry to do. I gotta wash all of my warm jammies. I'm gonna wear so many layers, dude. I've been wearing three. No, not three. I've been wearing two pajama pants at like for days. Different ones, but you know what I mean? Like, I have been layered up for days. It's crazy. This is... This is the first time in, like, long-ass time that I've been like, maybe I've had enough in New England. But I love it here so much. But Oof. I'm just, oh man, this is stuff that I would normally cut out, and now I can't, so here you go. Here you go, raw and filtered. Okay, I'm gonna make my coffee. I'll do some dishes. Now that I know we're not gonna lose power, I can, like, not worry about, you know, having to stop what I'm doing. I was like, if I take a shower and the power goes out and it's just dark, I can't deal with that. Slipping and sliding with the soap. All that. Also, it's the sun is out and everything is melting, so not only is it like there are icicles, I'm like, yeah. I'm just like trying to get them off before like they fall on my head. And there's just like 5 inches of pure ice, and I'm slipping and sliding, the dog's pulling me. It's a whole thing. It's a whole thing. I should have got snowshoes. If you have any like Tennis rackets. You should absolutely make some. Send me some. What was I? I was going somewhere with a thought, and then she left without me. Okay. I'm gonna go stay warm, stay safe if you're in New England. Check on your neighbors. Alright, I love you. I'll see you soon. Bye.